Hey buddies, in this video I'll show you how to cut and size your CTS strap for a perfect fit. Let's get started. So first of all, make sure you've got your strap, the clasp, a spring bar tool and something sharp like scissors or a knife to cut with. And as always, work on a soft surface to avoid scratches. With all the right preparation done, it's now time to measure. Start by attaching the straps to your watch using the quick release spring bars. Once they're in place, put the watch on your wrist just like you normally would. Bring the two loose ends together around your wrist and hold them snugly, so you can see where they overlap. This way, you're using your wrist as the guide. Now count how many pieces need to be cut off. In this case, it comes to 6 pieces. Take a moment to count again, just to be sure, and once you're confident, go ahead and make the cut. When both sides are cut to the right length, it's time to attach the clasp to the straps. First, detach the straps from the watch, then fit them onto the clasp using the included spring bars. It's highly recommended to use a spring bar tool with the forked end for this step, as it makes the process much easier and safer. Once that's done, simply reattach the strap to your watch. And that's it, buddies. Your cut to size strap is ready with a perfect fit. Thanks for watching. Visit Wristbuddys.com to explore straps and tools, and don't forget to use code YT10 for 10 USD off your next order.